Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to a new coin hunt. I've designated this coin hunt Animal Coin Hunt 28. We start off from Iceland with the quartered shield, and the quarter shield includes 4 mythological or creatures that have in Icelandic tales. The quartered shield has Gwynwar the bull, Gumar the eagle, Dreki the dragon and Bagasi the giant in the quartered shield. On the reverse of the coin we have the value of 5 krona and we have 2 dolphins. I apologise for any mispronunciation during the previous coin. This coin here is a UK farthing from 1944 and it shows the portrait of King George VI. On the reverse we have the year, we have the value in scripted writing, and then we have the smallest bird in the UK, which matches the smallest coin in the UK, which is the wren. Or the wren is certainly one of the smallest birds. I didn't mention mintages, did I? For the Icelandic 5 krona, it was 1,900,000. For this quarter penny or farthing, it is 25,137,600. I apologise for not giving the mintages as you saw the coin on that first one. This coin is from Ireland. You have the harp, the country and the year. The year is 1976 and the value of the coin is 1 penny. And we have the value and the stylised bird from the Book of Kells, which is a very famous Irish book. The mintage for this coin is 38,164,000. The next coin is a very dirty, very battered United States quarter or 25 cents. It's from 1974. There are no mint marks on it, so it's a Philadelphia mint. On the reverse we have the eagle, the country and the value. The mintage for this coin is 801,456,000. I'm sorry for that noise in the background. I believe it's the TV or the tuning thing from Virgin. It's beeping away like nobody's business. Here we have a coin from Malta. It is 1 cent from 1995. You have the coat of arms of the country, the name of the country and the year on this side. And on the reverse side you have the value, which is 1 cent, and you have a weasel. There are no mintage figures for this coin. This coin has a picture of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's a 5 cent coin from the Cayman Islands from the year 2005. On this side we have the country, the Queen and the year. On the reverse we have the value, and the animal is a Cayman crayfish. The mintage for this 2005 5 cent coin is 2,500,000. This one took me a bit of a while to work out. It is a Kirsch coin from 1979 from Syria. it looks as if it's valued at 10, but I have 5 Kirsch written down for some reason, so it could be a 10 Kirsch coin from the same year. On this side we have the value and the year being 1979 or 1399 in Arabic, on the Arabic calendar. There is no value for this coin. On this side we have the coat of arms inside a eagle shield, a shielded eagle. There's an eagle with a shield in the centre of its body. I'm not sure what type of eagle it's supposed to be, but it is like the coat of arms of Syria. And that, of course, is the animal on that coin. Here we have a modern, or a more modern, South African coin. You have the coat of arms of Africa, South Africa. You have the year and the country. This particular coin is a 20-cent coin from 2002. On the reverse, we have the value of 20 cents, and the flower is a King Protea flower, which is the national flower. The mintage for this coin is 42 million units. This next one is a 3mm coin from Malta from 1972. It's a scallop edge coin. It is also aluminium. On this side we have the value, the leaf and the scroll border with the scallop edge. And on the reverse we have the country name of Malta at the top. And then we have a bee on a honeycomb. There's also the year as well, and there's also a dolphin mark. Now I'm not sure if it's a mint mark or whether it is a or whether it is just part of the design. There's 4 of them, top and bottom left and top and bottom right, next to the honeycomb. For this coin there is a mintage of 8,653,000. Now I'm not sure if the dolphins are just like a symbol that they use a lot in Malta, or whether it is a mint mark. Which it is, I don't know. This coin here is a 20-cent coin from Estonia from the year 2006. On this side you have the lions, you have the value, and you also have the country name. The country name being on this left hand side here. On the reverse you have 3 lions passant, very similar to the England one, and you also have the year. The mintage for this 2006 coin is 35 million. The next one has a French head, plus a year. Might be Marianne, we're not sure. But it is from French Caledonian. It's a 20-franc coin from 2002. On this side you have everything that looks like French. It says République Française. And it also gives you the year. And then on the reverse we have the value in the bottom left corner here. Then we have 3 bull's heads or 3 ox heads. The mintage for this coin is very low. It's only 250,000. Getting towards what our Kew Gardens was like. Now I do have 2 of these. Where's the second one gone? Oh, no, that's a half. That's it there. Ah, that's it there. Here we go. They're both the same year. This is a Zambian coin. And on this we have Zambia, the coat of arms and the year. They are both the same year. And on the reverse, the bird is a barbet bird, which is also known as Chaplin's barbet. It is a 1 Kwacha coin, sorry, and that's KWACHA. There is no mintage for this coin. Turn the page. Oh, here we go. Next one. Is a South African 5 cent from 1976. The man you see portrayed is Jacobus Johannes Frusch. And Jacobus is Jacobas, Johannes is Johannes, and the surname, which I think is Frusch, is Fruche. Quite a lot. On the reverse we have the value of 5 cents and we have the blue crane. The mintage for this 5 cent coin is 48,972,000. This next coin is a 50 rupiah from 1971 from Indonesia. On this one you have the year, the value and the country on this side. On the reverse side to it is the valuation of 50 rupee or RP50 and the bird of paradise, or as it is more properly known, the greater bird of paradise. The mintage for this 50 rupee coin is 1,035,435,000. That is one hell of a mintage. Here we have a coin from Belgium, from 1 franc from 1939. It was issued during the reign of Leopold III. You have on it the year, the value and the lion on this side. And on the reverse you have 3 shields plus the name of the country. And the 3 shields represent West Flanders, Namur and Limburg. The mintage for this coin is 46,865,000. This coin is from Morocco. It's a half dirham from 2012. This was during the reign of Mohammed VI. On this side you see the coat of arms and also the name of the country, I believe. Yes, the name of the country. And then on the reverse we have the value of a half, which is the half dirham. We have a fish, the year and the value. I am not 100% sure name of the fish name, so I haven't given it to you. We have 2 more coins left, and the penultimate coin comes from Mozambique. This coin from Mozambique has the country and the year on this side, and it's a value of 2 meticais, and that's spelled METICAIS. From the year 2006. On this side you have the country and also I'm not sure if it's a coat of arms or just a graphical symbol. And then on the reverse we have the value of the coin, and we have the fish, which is a coelacanthus, and that's COELA Canth. There are no mintage figures for this coin. And the final coin is from Malta. Whoops, he says, trying to get... That's got it the right way up. No, that's the right way up. There you go, Malta. It's a 10-cent coin from 1991. And here you have the coat of arms, the shielded coat of arms. You have the country name and the year. On the reverse, we have the dolphin fish and the value of 10 cents. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Whoops, to the way, mate. There we go. I now have these coins bagged up, ready for me to sort out and flip which ones I'm keeping. Thank you for coming in and watching this video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and you believe I'm worth the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything to give me the thumbs up. Also, I have been tracking my viewing figures and the way that people are watching. It seems around about 50% of the people are not actually subscribed to the channel that are watching the videos. To those people I make an appeal. Please, if you believe I deserve it, subscribe to the channel, because I'd love to have you along to go through the coins, banknotes, the collectibles, and also the military that I do on this channel from time to time. I'd love to have you along, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully, or should I say a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. For those of you having a coin hunt, I hope you find the coins that you're after. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Right, and finally, before we go, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon in the future. And until then, from me, bye bye, ta-ra now.